Hello, everyone. Welcome to Glitter Whips 101. So, I decided to do a video on our glitter whips. This is all about glitter whips, okay? Lots of people have been asking. We have some new people, what are glitter whips? So, I wanted to do a little video and show you all the different ones we have and how you can use them. So we have chunky glitter whips. So this is a couple, this is Starshine, this is Snow Candy. That's a couple of our chunky glitter whips. Now, we also have what we call a hybrid. So this is Amber Romance, and this has a mixture of different kinds of glitter in it. So you're going to have fine glitter, chunky glitter, and tinsel glitter. And I'll open them up and show you a little bit more in just a second, but I just kind of wanted to go over the different kinds that we have. So then we have Baby Black Ice. These are our fines. Baby Black Ice, Hollow Pink. We have more colors, but these are just an example. These are both hollow fine glitters. We have, this is Arctic Snow, and it's a fine glitter, but also it's mostly matte. There is a little sparkle glitter in there that we added, but it's mostly a matte glitter. This is kind of, this is a fine glitter, but not quite as fine as this one. It's kind of in between. And this is our Luna Dust. This is tinsel glitter. This is our Angel Wings, and it's got different silver colors in there. So those are pretty much the options of glitter whips we have. We have tons of colors though, tons of options. This is just an example. So a couple of ideas of what you can do with our glitter whips. This is a cabochon, and this is the strawberry that's been painted on this, and a coat of resin has been added. Now this has been coated with a protectant, so once you seal the top of this, it will be shiny, but it gives you a beautiful base on a cabochon. Here's another option with fire and ice. So you can do cabochons. You can use the glitter whips on rocks as an accent. Like I have the strawberry just in the heart here. This is crystal rainbow or rainbow crystal, and this is used as just an accent on the rock. Another one here as an accent. So this was a transfer. This one was a tattoo with added accent. This is a transfer, a DTF transfer with a glitter whip around the outside. Another item. This is a piece of honeycomb. I forget what the actual name of this is. Calcite. And this has a transfer, and then this is Katie Cake's glitter whip. And then this is an ATC card, an artist trading card. And as you see, I have glitter whip on there also. And then one more thing to show you that I have sitting here is I'm working on a mini junk journal. This is my first page that I've started, and I also have glitter whip. See if I can get the camera to focus in on it. Mixed up in there in my junk journal. So there's so many different ways that you can use these glitter whips on different canvases, and there's more things you can use it on. You can use it on wood. I don't have a piece of wood with it on there right now, but I have used it on wood. there's just so many different things you can do with it. So let me grab a couple of rocks and I will show you some of how to use it. Okay, so I'm going to pull out snow candy here. Pull out a little bit on my finger. I like to apply it with my fingers, but you can use a brush. It's really up to you. I feel like I have more control with my finger, like where I want to put the glitter and everything, and I'll try to do it with a brush, but I always end up getting my finger in it. If you are doing a piece where you need it in certain areas, you will have to use a brush, and I just use a little disposable eyeliner brush that looks like this. And that's what I apply with, because then you can just chunk it afterwards. Or you can wash it and keep reusing it, but they're disposable. So you can apply your glitter all over the rock as your background. So what you would do is you would let this dry really well. I let it dry probably several hours, if not overnight. And then I'll put a resin coat on it, and then put whatever picture or paint, whatever I'm going to put on it. An option, another option is you can do like this, paint your thing on your rock and then just add the glitter around it. If you don't want to go through the layers of putting a coat of resin and then painting and then sealing again. So it's up to you on how you want to go about it, but if you want to just have like, and you can make it super thick, you can have it thin like this. You can make it even thinner by just, I can just take some of that off, and you can just have it very sparse as just like a little accent here and there. Or let me go in and show you. Also, the cool thing about these glitters is that they look different on different colors. So you can put it on white and then put it on dark. So you can make it really thick and have a very cool sparkly background. You can put it on something dark and it'll look totally different. It like shifts colors and everything. See, isn't that pretty? So that's your darker rock and that's your lighter rock. And you can use it as heavy or as light as you want to. Just make sure that you let it dry good. And then you're going to have to put a sealer over it if you're going to add something over the top, or if you're going to put a quote. So that is the options on using the chunky glitters. Okay, so now I'm going to show you, I have a rock here that already has some stuff on it, so I'm going to use that as my sample. This is the angel wings. And this is a tinsel glitter. So it just looks like little lines. So that's how the tinsel glitters are. I'm going to show you Amber Romance because it's a hybrid and it has a big mixture of everything. Angel Wings and Amber Romance are something that we keep in stock all the time because they're our popular ones. So there's an example of what a hybrid looks like. So you see a mixture of chunky, a mixture of fine, and a mixture of tinsel. Now I want to show you the matte. Actually, let me get something darker for this matte. Okay, I have a dark river rocky here. And I'm going to take some of this matte acrylic and show you. So this works wonders for snow. But I want to show you what it looks like because you see it's more opaque and solid. So that's what your matte glitters are going to be like. So you can see the difference. That's transparent and that's pretty much opaque. Now again, you can do as little or as much as you want to do. You can do just a small amount, or you can just lay it on and make you some snow. Everybody was using this for snow this year. But that's pretty much the matte. So it doesn't have the sparkle and shine. Now we did add a little bit of shine to it because we wanted a little sparkle. So if you're doing snow, you know how snow has that little rainbow sparkle to it, and that's what we added to this. You can kind of see it flashing off in the light. So that's our mattes. Now, let me show you a fine. This is the pink, the hollow pink is beautiful. I love them all. But that's your hollow pink. It's just gorgeous. And it's kind of a gel-like consistency base, glitter gel. Now, the cool thing about the fine, you have some options. You can line with it. As an example, this was a rock given to me where they used lavender ice as the liner. So you can go in with one of these and just line out your fine glitter whip and just make it like that. Or you can do, give me just one sec. This is the black ice, the baby black ice. And I have a dotting tool. And you can dot with it. So glitter whips are super awesome, fantastic. You can do so many different things with them. And they can make your rocks go from, oh, I really feel like the rock needs something, to bam. Or like this guy on TikTok I've been watching, this Cajun guy, and he's like, shabow. Just that little bit just does so much. The very last thing I'm going to show you real quick, I pulled out a piece of wood. I'm going to show you this real quick, and then I will go and let y'all get some glitter whips and have some fun. Let's see. I'm going to use the new Star Shine on it. This was our New Year's release. I'm going to put a little bit on some wood here. I've been using these boards for mixed media, and they make some awesome mixed media cards or boards. So you could actually put this all over the board. In fact, let's do it. I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to pause it and do it so this video is not too long. All right. I have covered this whole board. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry really well. And then I'm going to turn it into a mixed media, kind of like junk journal thing. And you can just go in right over the top of this once it dries. In fact, you could even add stuff down if you wanted to while it was wet. But if I'm going to add paper, I'd rather have the glitter dry. So these are all your options. This is basically what Glitter Whips is. I hope this video helps y'all. I'm Rocking.kk everywhere on social media. KATIE Thompson on Facebook. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer them. And I hope that y'all, this helps and y'all get you some glitter whips and have some fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.